Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Catson token. Now the Catson token is a meme coin on the Base blockchain, Coinbase's blockchain. And they were trending number one a couple of minutes ago on Dex Screener. Right now they're trending number two, doing very well, very popular project today. We're going to go over the information on the Catson token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find this token on Dex Screener. You can find it on Dex Tools, on Base Scan. Now they have a market cap right now of $795,000, and that is also their fully diluted valuation. They are still trending number two right now on Dex Screener. There's a picture here of Catson chilling on the couch with Brett. Kind of looks like the Simpsons couch, actually. And they have a 24-hour trading volume of over $500,000, $507,000 24-hour trading volume. And this token here is on the Base chain. So if you wanted to get this token, first of all, you would need a wallet that stores Base tokens. So you could use a Coinbase wallet. That would be very fitting, of course, since it's on the Coinbase blockchain. Or you could use a MetaMask wallet or Trust wallet. But basically, you would fund that wallet with ETH and then bridge that ETH to Base. Or you could fund your wallet with Base directly from a central exchange. Now, there is a list of central exchange links in the description box down there that you could use to fund your Coinbase wallet with Ether Base. And then you would go into the dApps and you would find Uniswap, and then you would trade your Base for the Catson token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, Catson.vip. Now, you may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics, and we're going to have a look in a second to see what the taxes are. You could also find the contract address right there on their Twitter, and I'm going to put their Twitter in the corner of the screen there as usual. It is at @ETHCatson, blue verified checkmark, 65 tweets. It says the most fun and interesting cat on the Base blockchain, and then it has a link to their Telegram at Based Catson. Also has a link to their webpage right there on the Twitter. So basically all the links, including the contract address, all the things you're going to need are going to be right on this Twitter. And it's a brand new project that just joined Twitter in July 2024. And they already have 1,148 followers, 65 tweets in the blue verified checkmark. Now, if you look in their pinned tweet, you're going to basically find a full link tree. All the links you're going to need for this project. Like I said, they're all on the Twitter here, but you can also find all the links to their charts in their pinned tweet there, like Dex Tools, Dex Screener. They're also on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap, and the website and Telegram. Everything is in that pinned tweet there, and it says, "I'm chilling out after my dev just burned 56% of the total supply, ready for the on-chain summer." So this webpage here, Catson.vip, has links, team section, how to buy in case you didn't understand how I explained it, tokenomics, info. It says 56% tokens burned. Hi, I'm Catson. I'm the coolest, chillest, and funniest cat on the Base blockchain. And then he's chilling like just on this little like a little bed or something there, while Pepe is drowning, yelling help. He's not even helping Pepe. So it says, a new king has risen. Catson is a cat back and carefree, who is a friend of Pepe, Brett, and the rest of the Boys Club gang. He's always down for a good time, and he loves hanging out with his friends. Pepe and Brett are now pulling Cat up. Their fellow friends need to fly with them. It's time for the last member of the Boys Club to fly from hundreds to thousands to millions to billions to make their father Matt Furie proud. So adhering to the ethos of decentralization, the CAT token has adopted a strategy to ensure genuine community ownership and nurture growth with steadfast support from the community. No taxes, so it says 0% buy and sell taxes. So you probably will not have to set slippage when buying, selling, or transferring this token. It says total supply, 1 billion tokens with 56% burned, contract renounced, and liquidity burned. So then it has the how to buy section about downloading a MetaMask wallet, all that type of stuff there. And then it has all the links at the bottom of their page: Twitter, Telegram, Dex Screener, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko. So basically all the links are all over the place. Now if you go to their Telegram at Based Catson, they have 2,139 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining, but that's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project, along with their Twitter. Now, it does say $132,000 in liquidity in Uniswap on Dex Screener, and it says 98.83% of the total liquidity is locked and burned. Token price is 0.0018 USD right now. They've had 29,156 transactions. This token just came out basically on Uniswap 6 days, 21 hours ago. Now, on Dex Screener, you could find a couple quick audits. First of all, they have a token sniffer score of 100 out of 100, so that's obviously a perfect score there. And then they have a quick Intel security audit that has no warnings on it. And they also have a Go Plus security that has all good green check marks on there and no warnings as well. Now, they have a couple different audits on Dex Tools than Dex Screener has. So if you go over to Dex Tools, you're going to find a little bit of different information there, and we could check to see if there's any warnings on that one as well before this video is over here. And you can find their base scan on there as well. So right now they have 265,600 holders, it says. That's an insane amount of holders. 430.97 million total token supply. 95 out of 99 Dex score. They have a community trust score of 100% out of 17 votes, and there's no warnings on those audits on Dex Tools either. So liquidity lock, no warnings on the audits. I'm not saying everything's perfect because they don't have full audits. You should always look out for full audits and all that type of stuff. But, you know, from what I could see, I don't see any huge red flags or anything standing out. So why don't you let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. If you want to help support the channel, you can hit that join button and become a member. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.